Next example from derivatives. So Laplace of t into sine of 2t that equal into sine of 3t. Some examples are there. So that is quite right, like Laplace of e raised to n into f of t. Right? Therefore, n is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು 1 into function f of t is sine of 2t into sine of 3t, isn't it? So apply sine A into sine B formula. So right. So we know the formula for Laplace transform derivative, Laplace of t raised to n into f of t. So that equal to minus 1 raised to n into d raised to n divided by ds raised to n into Laplace of f of t. Right. So put n is equal to 1 and f of t is equal to sine of 2t into sine of 3t, right? So Laplace of t, n is 1, sine of 2t into sine of 3t. So that equal to minus 1 minus d raised to 1 is d raised to n is equal to 1. So d by ds into Laplace of sine of 2t into sine of 3t, right? So use apply sin A into sin B formula, so that equal to minus d by ds of Laplace of, so half of cos of A minus B, 2t minus of 3t, it is minus t, so minus cos of A plus B, it is 2t plus 3t is 5t, so it's completed. So that equal to minus d by ds. So 1 by 2 is take it outside, it is minus, so into Laplace of cos of t is cos theta minus cos theta is plus cos theta minus cos of 5t, right? So that equal to minus 1 by 2 d by ds. Laplace of cos 80, so s divided by s square plus a square. So again Laplace of cos of 5t is s divided by s square plus a square. Now differentiate individually. This we get, that is the result, right? So differentiate each. So minus 1 by 2 u by v form with respect to s ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಸದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಎಸದ u by v form ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So s square plus 1 into 1 minus of s as it is into s square, it is 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square minus of s square plus 25 into 1 minus of s into 2s divided by s square plus 25 whole square. So then simplify, we get the final result, right? So 12 is completed. So yesterday examples these are. So next you have to solve similarly Laplace of t into cos hyperbolic 80. So left u. So 14th one, it's easy. So Laplace of t into e raised to 80 into sine of 80. Total treat is f of t, right? So Laplace of t raised to n into f of t. Therefore n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, f of t is equal to e raised to 80 into sine of 80, right? So use the formula Laplace of t raised to n is 1 into e raised to 80 into sine of 80. So that equal to minus 1 raised to n, it is d by ds. So n is 1, so into Laplace of f of t e raised to 80 into sine of 80. So this one completed. So next minus d by ds, Laplace of e raised to 80 into sine of 80 formula. So s minus a divided by s minus a whole square plus a square. Now so by using the formula Laplace of e raised to 80 into sine of at. So s minus a divided by s minus a whole square plus a square. So apply u by v form. So minus of s minus of a whole square plus a square. So into, so it is 1 minus of s minus of a. So differentiate this. It is 2 times of s minus of a into s minus a is 1 divided by s minus of a whole square plus a square. So whole square. So simplify yourself. You must simplify. That is the answer. So 14th one completed. Similarly, 15th one. So 15th one. So Laplace of t square into sine of at. So that is the Laplace of t raised to n into f of t. Right? So therefore n is equal to 2. F of t is equal to sine of at. Right? So we know the formula for Laplace of t raised to n into f of t. So that equal to minus 1 whole square d square by ds square. So into Laplace of, so f of t is a sine of at. Direct second. So formula never direct worry, no problem. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1 d square by ds square. So Laplace of sine at is a divided by, so s square minus of a square. So a is take it outside, constant. So first time differentiate this d by ds of s square minus of 1 divided by, numerator is constant. So 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 divided by s square minus of a square whole square. So into differentiation of x is 2x. Into differentiation of this x is 1. So x in terms of s square minus of a square, it is 2s. A is constant. So minus 2a is constant, take it outside. So differentiation of d by ds of s divided by s square minus of a square whole square. Right? So that equal to, I can write 2a. You must apply u by v form. So v as it is differentiation s minus of s as it is differentiation of this whole divided by v square. So simplify, that is the answer. This one complete. 15. So next one, 16th one. Laplace of t square minus plus 1 into cos of 2t. Should write like this. So Laplace of t square cos of 2t plus cos of 2t. Right? So just Laplace multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Laplace of t square cos of 2t plus Laplace of cos of 2t. You know the formula. So n is equal to 2 minus 1 raised to 2 into d square by ds square into Laplace of f of t is a cos of 2t. Bracket complete. Plus Laplace of cos of 2t is s divided by s square plus a square. So then simplify. So minus plus 1 again d square by ds square into Laplace of s divided by s square plus 4 plus keep as it is s square plus 4. Then first time differentiate, apply u by v. So s square plus 4 into 1 minus of s into, so it is 2s divided by v square plus s divided by s square plus 4. Right? So simplify. Next differentiate u by v form again. So simplify, that is the answer. This completes examples. Thank you.